Good afternoon again. 3:05 p.m. in the afternoon here in Cyprus. This is Francis. I am, or I am not, your favorite amateur astronomer. Here before you are 4 images. 3 of the images happened on the same day, consecutively. Another image was taken the next day. Let's examine the effect of a ghost image resulting from a focus star and see if I am in the ballpark as an explanation to what is occurring or what we see near Comet ISON in my images. As you can tell, my words are very stepped because I want to make sure I do this properly. Let's look at you can tell by the file names. 2013 10.5. If you see 4, it means 5. I don't have an explanation why the file names are coming out the day before. I believe it's the UTC time. We're -7 hours, but that is, I don't know that exactly. But I do know when the images were taken, which were on October 5th, October 5th, October 5th, and October 6th. Here we have these objects. What we are observing as we observe the comet is extracurricular visuals. Now, I did not research, and I will research in the near future because we'll be looking at these in the future again. Hope you don't get tired of looking at these pictures like this. The exact name for the occurrence, the effect that occurs with a CCD camera that is pointed to an object. These telescopes, they have guider scopes. The guider scopes are looking at a star, not the object, and tracking a star while the telescope is pointed at the object, centering on the object that we are pointed at. And I hope I described this correctly. So when I send coordinates to the telescope, the robotic telescope, it goes and finds the area, and then it finds a focus star and a guider star, and it'll go to that guide star and it'll focus, and it'll take an exposure just like taking a picture, 10 seconds. Now when I'm taking my pictures, I have a picture already lined up. As soon as that occurs, it focuses and then it recenters on Comet ISON, and it begins another exposure. My first exposure, all my exposures have been 240 seconds, and this is the result we get. I could go to 300 seconds, I could go to 180 seconds, I could go anything I want, but I'm keeping it at 240 seconds, and we get a similar image on all these different shots. Okay, so the telescope went to the guider's focus star, took a shot, 10 seconds, went focused, went to my object. Now I can see my object, Comet ISON. And the first image, there's an effect that the focus star could show up. I am telling you this information because it is the truth. In actuality, it occurs with CCD cameras. My knowledge, though, as I did this with a Lenin, was the more shots you took, it would fade. And we're going to examine that because we have to examine that as an option in this case with my images. And we know which ones were taken first. 001, 002, 003, each for 240 seconds. I could probably do a blink, and what happens if we do a blink and then I come back? Can I do it? I don't know why. To see if, because I could put the 3 pictures together, we could do a moving image, but it's 204, it's 12 minutes apart. The comet doesn't move very far. But it is working over here. Come on, please. Oh, darn it. Okay, well, this is what I wanted. Let's see, my initial. As these images are taken, the sun is coming up, which produces some fading. Already, actually, can't. Oh, I'm gonna mess it up. I just did. I don't know how to stop it now. Okay. I got a little ahead of myself there, but I was seeing it blink, and I don't know what I should do. What happens if I do it again? Okay, I'm getting what I want. Okay. Can anybody tell me what I see? Though this doesn't include the images, all these images from the 6th, but these objects appear to be stationary. I'm a little speechless though. Yeah. I like what I see, because you know what? No one else is doing it. But now, okay, let me get my spiel out of it then. Okay, you see over time these stars, they're moving, but those are stars. Those are known stars. The telescope is moving with the sky, taking their exposures. The comet is moving. Now, it could be the dimming because the sun is coming, brighter, brighter. But now we want to come down into these objects because this is what we're so interested in. And I'm going to lean back because I can see them, averted vision. There's one, there's one. Oh, I just moved it. Now let me see if I stop it. Alright. Can I darken them up and get them darker? And get them to blink dark? I hope it works again. I might have just figured this blink out, but then as soon as I say that, I'm sure it's going to break. It's adding in the 4th one. I'm trying to figure out what I got here. Oh, it's the 5th up here. Okay, I gotta stop it. Stop. Close. I gotta darken up the 4th. Okay, I got exactly what I wanted. I see the comet moving away from them. There they are. Here's the star moving. Dun dun dun. Coming down just like the star. Coming down the road. Coming down the road. Coming down the road. Coming down the road. Take a different path. Moving faster than that. Okay, so I'm going to say definitively that these objects are moving in the direction of the star field and not in the direction of Comet ISON. I'm going to stop this for right now, and we're going to go look at the images from October 5th. Very interesting indeed. 12:47, 3:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is Francis. I think my definitive answer is that object is moving away from and in a different direction and at a different speed than this object, which is following the star field. Doop.